By 2011, Facebook invaded our private lives. Hanging out with friends was in decline. Some ignored the problem, but not Barcaffee. Barcaffee encourages friendship. Our lives are defined by precious moments spent with our friends. Those moments were taken away by social media. We decided to fight back, to regain our precious moments of real-life happiness. But how do we get people to experience real life again? How do we increase awareness amongst youngsters and encourage them to meet for a cup of coffee? The solution was, let's go for a cup of coffee. Real-world social coffee meetups. A movement that got real people to meet and interact in a real way. And which tool could be better used to undigitize social events than Facebook? Through a social media campaign, we encouraged Facebook's community to meet for a real cup of coffee. We created a Facebook application which enabled users to connect, share, and engage with friends, arrange a coffee meetup, and enjoy beautiful moments with each other. For each coffee meetup, friend invitation, and photo upload, users gained points. The most enthusiastic users won a trip for two to the charming cities of Paris, Rome, and London. The movement quickly gained traction. Voice about the movement spread through the digital community. People went wild. During a 6-week period, users created more than 50,000 coffee meetups, sent more than 150,000 invites, uploaded more than 5,500 photos from meetups, and generated more than 1.2 million social media impressions. Our movement reached 30% of Slovenia's Facebook population. But most importantly, it got us thinking. Is there a life beyond the digital one?